Do you know that your 20-60mm is a 20-90mm for 4K? In this video, I'm going to show you. First, I'm going to use within the 20-60mm, and I'm going to quickly turn on the aps-c crop. I have programmed the aps-c crop to the Q button. Here's the Q button. I quickly press that and rotate the back dial, and I'm in the aps-c mode. Like, it takes less than 2 seconds and less than 2 clicks. So this 20-60mm, you can get range from 20 to 90, or in aps-c mode become 30 to 90mm full frame equivalent. Let's start the test. I'm very much excited. Natural profile. We are at 20mm full frame. I'm using DCI 4K 8-bit. This is the 20mm. Yes, you heard me right. 20mm, 22mm, 24mm, 28mm, 35mm, 38mm, 45mm. If you are thinking to get the Sigma 45mm f2.8, this is what you are going to get. 50mm, 55mm, 60mm, 20mm, and then the 60mm. I personally am not using any kind of electronic stabilization, which give you a 1.1 crop. This is the 60mm, and let me quickly turn on the aps-c mode. So right now aps-c mode on with 1.5 crop. This is the 90mm. So you can turn your 20-60 into 20-90 for 4K. And this one is the 30mm. We are at physical 20mm, but we are using the aps-c mode. The good thing about the aps-c mode is that you can shoot with 60 frames per second. Such as some of the camera, the Nikon Z5 or the Nikon Z6 version 1 or the A7C can't shoot in aps-c mode with 4K 60. 20mm, which is 30mm, and then 60mm, which is 90mm. Let us get back to the full frame 60mm from 90. So this is your 60mm. Definitely there's a different, right? There's a different. And 20mm. This is your typical 24mm. You're going to get 24 to 105 or 24 to 70. 24, 20, 28, 20. There's a huge difference, right? I hope you enjoyed this video. Also, this is a video quality test. You want to know how I quickly turn when I'm shooting outdoor from 60 to 90? I have programmed this Q button. For example, I'm recording. I will quickly stop recording. So you have to stop recording. I quickly press Q button, and I go to full to aps-c and Bayanara. Again, Q full Bayanara. Automatically, we are changing our field of view. For example, let me go to the 60mm, like this one. This is your 60mm. We are in the full frame mode, right? Press Q. And then, wow, here you go. That's simple it is. Let me show you again. Q. That's simple. That's simple. I hope you like this video. Make sure to check out my teaching. I'm teaching on Skillshare. I'm offering my courses for free for 1 month. Not only that, I'm offering every other courses on Skillshare. Skillshare is your Netflix of education. Also check out Outing Journal. I have to say bye.